Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, we are back again with cryptocurrency, and honestly, it really doesn't matter what's going on right now because when you take a look at Bitcoin, it's currently at $60,000. Yes, it's been tumbling every now and then, but hasn't it been doing that for the past month or two? I don't know. We'll look at the charts real quickly. And yeah, altcoins bleeding like crazy. Ethereum under 3K, and Cardano. We'll talk about that in a bit. But let's take a look at Bitcoin first. So yeah, we look at the yearly chart. Up 100%, pretty nice. But then you look at the monthly chart, and it's just not looking good right now. It's just not looking good. 70K top, and we went as low as I believe 56,000. Yes, that's pretty low, kind of breaking some previous support levels. Everyone's kind of anticipating the 50K Bitcoin because then that's the next level of support. Will we go all the way down there? I'm not really sure. What I'm seeing right now is a kind of a falling wedge pattern, and not a technical analyst, but I think that means it might break eventually, and we could go up or we could go down. Yeah, that's my analysis. But let's take a look at Cardano right now, and you're just killing me here, man. Like, obviously, if Bitcoin bleeds, altcoins are going to bleed even harder. Currently down 24% over the month, and yeah, it's just not looking so good. It really sucks because yeah, it was at 70 cents and it just went all the way right back down to 45 cents. This is kind of like the support level right now, about 40 cents so far. So if it goes any lower, we're just yeah, let's not go there. But yeah, since we're talking about Cardano, I actually saw this article posted, how high can Cardano go this weekend, and specifically over the course of 12 months from now. So according to this article, it's saying that ADA could reach $1 by May 2025. There's no way, chat. I'm not gonna wait that long. There's no way. I've been anticipating this for June 2024. I'm sticking with ADA, and let's just hope that things can get better. Please, I need a pirouette. Take a look at one thing that just got disclosed recently. It's JP Morgan Chase disclosed a spot Bitcoin ETF portfolio. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the main guy who has been bashing Bitcoin, Jamie Dimon, holds up spot Bitcoin ETFs. And another big bank, Wells Fargo, which is the third largest bank, Bitcoin ETF holdings. Would you look at that? In articles, and like I said, right now people are either 50% bearish, going to 50K, or 50% bullish. Somehow we're gonna go at 100K. This is just the one leg down before the 3 legs up, whatever that means. But yeah, lots of dip buyers. At one point you eventually run out for the dip, right? Like there's just not enough purchases to keep buying every single dip. It reminds me of the time when we were at the 25 to 30K rate, and then I don't know where wham went up to straight to 70K. So maybe right now it might bounce between 50 to 60K, and then wham goes to 100K. I don't know. That's mostly what a lot of traders are saying right now. What do you guys think? Comment down below what Bitcoin price are we going to reach at the end of the year, December 2024. Here's my prediction on the screen. Bold prediction. If you want to see any other predictions or just any other general news of what's going on, make sure to check out the Twitter X account, mmonopoly10. Check it out. We got lots of engagement going on. I appreciate everyone, which actually recently we have some bag purchases, so thank you those who have been buying. Very nice. I appreciate that very much. Just keep the movement going. But yeah, still working on a bunch of back-end stuff. I don't know if I want to create an X account yet. I'll see if I have I want to say like at least 100 holders, then I'll create an X account for it. But yeah, still a lot of back-end stuff. Apparently you have to spend money to like just add details and stuff to your token, but whatever. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a big old thumbs up. Comment down below your Bitcoin price prediction for the end of the year, and as always, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one.